Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, and this time it's a food subscription unboxing, and it's a very heavy Degustabox. So if you're new to Degustabox, as always, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Degustabox is a monthly food subscription box. This is Degustabox UK and it costs £12.99 a month, and that includes shipping. So inside the box contains between 10 to 15 food items. A lot of the items are brand new, so just hitting the shops or about to hit the shops, so we get to try before everyone else. And also there's a lot of products inside that are gluten-free, dairy-free and vegan. Not everything is gluten-free and vegan, etc., but a lot of the products do seem to be, as well as healthy snacks like protein shakes and protein bars and things. We do get a lot of those in the boxes as well. This box is kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all on my channel. That also means that when we have products that have different choices, I will be sent all the choices so I can show you. When you sign up to Degustabox, you fill in a questionnaire, and one of the questions is, would you like alcohol in your box? So you either tick yes or no. So I know inside this month's box there's an alcoholic product, so they've also sent me the alternative. So if you tick no to alcohol, I have also got the items that you will receive instead. So I think that's it for information. Let's open it up and show you what we've got inside. So in all boxes you always get a leaflet, and it details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you the price as well, so I'm able to add it all up and to tell you the final overall value. So the theme for this August box is back to school and on the go. So lots of quick and easy snack type treats are in this box. There's also a refrigerated item. Now they couldn't send that actually in the box, so what they've done is they've popped in a voucher. So this is for new strings and things, and everyone will receive that in their box. It doesn't say where you can actually buy them, but I'm assuming you could get them in most major supermarkets. But the value is £1.50, and you've got until the end of December to redeem it. So because that's a fresh item, as I said, they couldn't put it inside, but because I now get their PR box, I've got these. So they sent me these to show you. This is what they look like. So I've been sent two different varieties there. So I'll try one and open one up. I thought they'd be like individual pieces, but it's not. You've got bags. You've got 3 bags, so 3 snack bags in each one. So handy for like packed lunches and things like that. So there you can see there, 1, 2, 3. I should have read, shouldn't I? It says 3-pack up there. Oh my gosh. That is so weird. It's just like sweets. It's so weird. I'm not too sure. Can you see there? Just like cheese strings. It's nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 in this bag. It looks like a PlayStation remote. You're not going to be able to see it. It's very, very hard to see. You can just see the cross on it. So the information says that they cost £1.50. Strings and Things Cheese Shapes is an amazing new product from the brand that bought you cheese strings. Cheese Shapes Randoms are bags of real cheese pieces shaped into completely random shapes and iconic faces. You never know which one you're going to get. Perfect in the lunchbox or after school. So everyone will have the voucher in their bag so that you can redeem and get one of these yourself. So the alcoholic box then, there's 2 items that are different to the non-alcoholic box. This caught my eye. Free Feel Unique gift voucher. Wow. Oh, there's a gift voucher on the back there. We have got a bottle of Blossom Hill, and it's a rosé. So a big full bottle of rosé, and it's pale rosé, 750 ml and 11% alcohol. Oh, I love rosé. I love rosé. I only drink it in the summer. Never drink it in the winter. The recommended retail price for this is £6.50. And it says, winner of the Product of the Year 2019, Blossom Hill Pale Rosé is a firm favourite. Refreshingly dry with delicate floral aromas and notes of summer fruits. You can see why. Best served with friends. Try over ice with sliced strawberries for a refreshing summer cooler. Available at Asda. So there's that. So also in the alcohol ticked box, you'll get these 2, and it's by Manny Life, and the little pots of peanut butter. We've got 1 original roast crunchy, and we've got 1 deep roast smooth peanut butter. That's what they look like there. It's a little pots. They're 15 grams each. They're worth 59p each, and it says Money Life is made from the finest peanuts sourced from a single estate in Argentina. These beauties are naturally sweeter and with a fat profile more akin to olive oil, better for you too. We roast them to perfection and blend them in small batches to create a life-changing peanut butter. So there's those. So if you opted for a non-alcoholic box, you'll receive one of these, which is Nutvia hazelnut spread, 97% less sugar and palm oil free. So 350 gram. So a big tub of hazelnut spread. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. So this will cost you £3.99. Nutvia delivers the same rich flavour and creamy texture as other brands, but with 97% less sugar and zero palm oil. We're the smart choice for your health and the ethical choice for the planet. Enjoy Nutvia on toast, ice creams, crepes, fruit and much more. So there's that. And then the next item the non-alcoholic box would receive are these almond dips, skinny coated dark chocolate bites, and they're by Mighty Fine. And you will either get these or you'd get dark chocolate with raspberry. So that's instead of the peanut butter. Not sure why, because peanut butter is not alcoholic, but yeah, that's what it says in the book anyway. The recommended retail price is £1.39. In 2014 we began creating treats in a cool little shop in Camden that were all handmade, always tasty and packed with great ingredients. Just like these almond dips, are lightly roasted almonds, skinny coated in chocolate and dusted in cocoa powder. Treat well and prosper. Everything else now in this box everyone will get. So the first one is Taco Snack Nachos snack kit, tomato salsa and cheese. Snack it your way, suitable for vegetarians. So it looks like there. I absolutely blimmin' love nachos. Can you see there? You can see the nachos in there. And then you've got some salsa. I'm assuming you add your own cheese. I can't see anything else. Yeah, if you wanted cheese, that is. I don't know. Oh no, there's a little sachet of cheese there. So this will cost you £1.50, and it says a taco snack lets you snack it your way, and now we're bringing that to nachos with our new nacho snack kit with crunchy nacho chips, tangy salsa and creamy nacho cheese. Snack Attack Nachos kit is perfect for after school. Top them, dip them, snack them your way. So there's that. Now the next items are really cool. I thought initially you might receive just one of them, and they've given me 3 of them to show you the different choices. But no, everyone is going to get 3 of them, I think anyway. It doesn't say anything different on the information. So when you get your boxes, please let me know if you've only received one of them, just so that I know. But look at these herbal tea bags. Look at this. Aren't they cool? We've got here chai, 16 pyramid bags. Then we've got pure leaf gunpowder and green tea, 16 tea bags. And we've got green tea with jasmine. So yeah, 16 tea bags in each. These look lovely just in your kitchen, just as they are. So you just undo it and pick up a tea bag and that's it. But then once you've finished, it's a lot of plastic. It's a lot of wasted plastic, isn't it? Maybe they could have brought out like a glass jar and then you could buy refill bags or something like that. I think that'd be quite cool. So the information says that these cost £3.99 each. As Pure Leaf, everything we do begins and ends with a perfect cup of tea in mind. Our teas have been blended using only the finest long leaves, paired with natural ingredients such as herbs, flower petals and real fruit pieces to create unique teas with distinct character. So yeah, normally it would say you should receive 1 of 3, or you should receive 3 in your box, but it's got no information on it, so I don't know. So there's those. Next we got something that is not new, and it's Heinz beef ravioli and tomato sauce with a bit of a dent. It's yeah, got a bit of a dent, which is odd because nothing else is dented in the box. To buy this, it'll cost you £1.25. Heinz ravioli has been a family favourite for over 50 years, with delicious beef pasta parcels and a rich and juicy tomato sauce. Ready from the tin to table in just 5 minutes, it'll be sure to bring smiles to your mealtime. So it's a shame about that dent, because I'm sure I've read somewhere or I've heard somewhere that any tins that are dented you shouldn't really eat from. Let me know if I'm right or if I'm wrong. But no, I'll have to look that up. But on the back it says no artificial colours, no artificial flavours and low in fat. So there's that. The next is lovely. Oh my word, the new Kit Kats. I love Kit Kats. We've got Kit Kat Senses. So we got Kit Kat Caramel, Salted Caramel, and we got, what have we got here? Kit Kat Hazelnut. Now we had a box, it's like a pyramid shaped box a couple of months ago. So you open it up and you had little tiny little ones. And maybe they're the same as this. Yeah, it feels like they are. There's 3 little chunks in there. But yeah, they've obviously come out with a bar and I'm going to have a salted caramel one. I love Kit Kat. Love it, love it, love it. And so it says, these will cost you 85p each. Love Kit Kat Senses, but not a fan of sharing. Introducing the Kit Kat Senses bar. Available in 2 sumptuous flavours, salted caramel and hazelnut, offering the perfect combination of chocolate and wafer with an indulgent layer of filling. These bars are perfectly packaged for your next moment of me time, and you should receive both of them in your box. Next, I think we've got a drink. It's a chocolate protein milkshake and it's by UFit. 22 grams of protein, no added sugar and low in fat. As I said at the start, we tend to get quite a few of these. I'm not that keen on them, but my husband loves them. And he's a cyclist, so he's always off like mountain biking and road biking on long journeys. And he's constantly drinking all these and eating protein shakes and bars and things. So I give them all to him. So to buy this, it'll cost you £2. It says UFit is a delicious high protein milkshake with no added sugar. The only sugar present is naturally occurring from the milk. UFit was designed to cater for mainstream health conscious consumers that are looking for a healthy alternative, not just for young guys that gym. Oh, so there's that one. So next we've got a pack of 3 products and these are by Fruit Bowl. So there's 3 different ones there. What we got? We got a juicy yogurt raisins. A little bag. We've got unicorn fruit flakes. And we got strawberry yogurt flakes. These are 49p each and it says, at Fruit Bowl, we're all about making sure the snacks that end up in little hands are packed with fruity goodness. Our tasty range of goodies are burst in flavour. The individually wrapped portions are perfect between meals and you can take them anywhere. So there's those. And lastly, we got another set of 3 products. And these are jelly squeezes. Orange flavoured jelly, strawberry flavoured jelly, and we got apple and blackcurrant flavoured jelly. And it says here there's 76 calories, no artificial colours, no preservatives, made with real fruit juice, no added sugar or artificial sweeteners. And these are by Fruity Pot, and everyone will be receiving 3 in their box, and they will cost 50p each. The easy squeezy way to enjoy jelly. Jelly squeezes no added sugars or artificial sweeteners and is suitable for vegetarians too. I just read that, haven't I? These no mess pouches of jelly are the ideal addition to any back to school lunchbox. So the box that contains the alcohol, that comes to around £31. The box that doesn't contain the alcohol, that comes to around £28. So a little bit more in value this month than previous boxes. Normally you're looking at about, say, £24, something like that. So yeah, a little bit more pricier this month, which is good, which is good. So looking at all the products here, they're all scattered across the floor. So I'm just looking on here. We do have a lot of like easy treats, easy sort of things on the go. We've got the cheese strings, we've got the jelly shots, we've got the fruit flakes. They're all sort of healthy-ish snacks that are quick and easy for packed lunches or like on after school snacks or something, or if you're driving somewhere in the car. So yeah, so we got those, which are great. The Kit Kats are going to be mine. They're mine, and the wine obviously. But yeah, I love the fact that we got those leaf teas. They're really nice, and the snack nachos as well. Nothing to make meals. That is the only thing, and that's what I like about Degustabox. But I suppose this is the theme is on the go, isn't it? It's back to school, so yeah, there's nothing there except for ravioli, but then that's quick and easy, isn't it? Just microwave, bang, it's done. I think the most exciting thing for me is the actual bottle of wine. I'm going to put that in the fridge later and have it on the weekend. I can't wait to try it. I love it. I love rosé. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think it's good value for money? What do you think of the product choices this month? So all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.